What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of the Vaccinator. Today we are here at the Rietspruit Dam in Itties for the Outcasts Club comp. It's a very misty morning, as you guys can see behind me. Not too many competitors are here. I think there is still a few coming, but we're probably looking at around 20, just over 20 guys that could make it this comp. But I'm hoping it should be a good day. Well, let's see how it goes and enjoy. Peace. Not a very big fish, but it's the first fish of the morning on a weightless fluke. Yes! Nice one! What a lift. Sure, midday, and it's hot, blooming hot, and I'm catching fish on frog, right on the edge. A couple of the fish in the morning were on the grass lines, but these last couple of ones have been all in the shallows. I've missed a few. I've missed one decent one, which could have been the kicker, and yeah, well, it happens, you know. But the water's been super clear, so it's been pretty cool. Water temp has been 22, so it's rised up to 22. But earlier this morning it was like 16 or something, so not bad. But yeah, hopefully you're enjoying the content so far. Let me go carry on and see if I can pick up that bigger one. Sweet, wish me luck. On the junior frog, Itties bait. Still small, but it's an upgrade, so helps me a little bit today. Oh no! What? That was a good fish, eh? Holy. Lots of these small ones coming out, which is not fun. Well, it is fun, but it's not the ones I want. Finally guys, got myself a bit of a kicker for this dam. I think this is going to help my bag a lot. Not too many guys are catching these, so hopefully this will help. Sure, what an upgrade, eh? I'm sure. So I wasn't recording when I caught that big one, but as you saw in the little short video I made afterwards, I think that's going to help me a bit. My second biggest fish is about a 560, 570, and the third one is about, I would say about on the 500 gram mark, 500 something, and then that one is close to a kilo. But it was a decent fish. I think for here it's going to help me a lot. I'd like to get another one like that. Even down there, dude, look what I picked up there. Could be a bit more. I got it into the boat so quickly, I mean, average like this. So guys, going into weigh in now. Let's see how the bag turns out. It's not an easy day. Yeah. Hello.
How's the lady?
Woo!
The Bassinator.
Too shabby.
Yo, yo, yo.
110.
21108.
Oh.
Nice.
Okay, biggest fish today, Nunu, with the 1044.
What else catches his voucher?
Okay, second place. Nunu with a bag of 2.11.
Awesome, bud.
Yeah, right.
Big one.
Morning.
All right.
You get that again? That one?
No, you can't get your net back.
I'll give it to someone, don't worry. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. So I managed second place, very close to the first place winner. I think we were 100 and something grams off. Hope you enjoyed that one, and yeah, hit that thumbs up if you liked the video. Hit me with a comment, tell me what you think, and yeah, catch you guys on the next video. Tight lines, boys and girls.